How does the Phoenix work? Well, it's not a miracle, and it's not magic. It's modern medical science. With high-impact internal mechanical collisions, the Phoenix produces powerful, targeted sound waves. This is the same energy signature as the machines used in doctors' offices, only now from the comfort of home. You may have heard of doctors using powerful sound waves to break apart kidney stones. The waves generated by the Phoenix are much more gentle, but they also produce an incredible physiological response in the body. Performing a treatment is as simple as running the tip along 5 lines of travel, moving at the speed indicated by the blue pacing lights. The patented guidance system ensures proper technique every time, making treatments almost foolproof, showing you where you need to place the tip and for how long. Treatments take only 17 minutes and are performed twice a week, following Dr. Thompson's 120-day treatment protocol. Just like working out in the gym, overnight results are not the norm, but men who follow this protocol achieve spectacular results. It's not painful, but you can definitely hear the power behind the device as the shock waves are released. A 36-hour lockout is triggered when the treatment is finished to prevent overtreatment. And that's all there is to being on your way to an improved sex life. There's a reason literally thousands of clinics are now advertising shockwave therapy on the radio, TV, and online. It's a powerful, safe, and effective treatment plan that helps guys stay at their best in the bedroom. Bottom line, the Phoenix works.